Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the acceleration pedal sensitivity settings on your HORI truck control system. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the wheel. So click on the steering wheel icon. Now here, go to pedal settings. And here you will have the acceleration pedal sensitivity settings. Here you guys can change it up to 3 or -3. It's all up to your preference. I always set it at either -3 or -1. And that's basically it. So I hope this quick video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.